Welcome back to CRDMODS. This is Rahul for you. So for today, we do have the Karizma R, which came to CRDMODS for the restoration. So before that, just to have a glance at the vehicle, you can just understand the condition of the vehicle, how deeply it was damaged, the panels, the seat, and the paint. So for this vehicle, we have restored the vehicle by replacing the damaged parts, and there were also multiple dents on the tank. So we have also fixed it. If you can see the panels, they were misaligned due to a minor accident. So we have altered the vehicle so that the newer parts will fit exactly to the original fitment. And there's a lot of gap in the seat which we have adjusted, and the headlight which was very drastically damaged, we have buffed it and brought it to life. And if you can see the gaps, like near the speedometer, because the parts were totally damaged and misaligned. At CRD modes, we restore every vehicle. It's not only about the vehicle, it's about the emotions. There were multiple damages to the tank, and dents were actually filled with putty. It was on right part, so we dented the tank by chopping it off and fixed it through. So in this way, you will have a proper look for the dents and everything. So we also added an fairing which actually makes it much more sportier than the stock one. It's a full fairing, usually famous for the Karizma R in the earlier, because it's been almost 15 years ago. We are trying to restore this vehicle to the bring it to the charm, and this is one of the panel which we added. It is made of a fiberglass, and which is needed to be thoroughly go through some multiple layers of paint job and finishing, so that you will get a better finish at end. So that's about the engine fairing which we have added. If you're also looking at the other end, you do also have multiple air vents. It doesn't only block the air, it will also make sure that the proper air is thrown into the engine and make sure your engine is not heated up soon. So there are no issues by adding this one part to the Karizma R, because many vehicles have been fitted with these parts. So that's about it. Let's jump on to the dismantling of the all the parts which we have added. So now we would have a exclusive view of the chassis, how damaged it is. So we probably remove all the rust accumulated on the chassis, and then we will go for an anti-rust coating over that, and further done with a matte black paint job. So this is about the speedometer, how it looks. And there's nothing not to be done to the speedometer, because we usually go for polish. But especially for the chassis, there are a lot of things need to be done, which we have already done it. And I couldn't show you the painted versions of them after during the paint job, because I missed that video. But anyways, let's jump on to the one of the part which how it goes through. Like, it has been water sanded several times so that the fiberglass restores its finish. So this is a bent pipe for the exhaust. So we have wrapped it with the layer so that it doesn't damage the fiber part. And this is the view after the paint job, and the panels are fitted on the vehicle. So this is how it looks. Now we are doing the buffing to get the hidden gloss from the paint job, because there are multiple layers of lacquer coating are done. But still, to get the most of the minor flaws on the vehicle during the paint job, we'll do a buffing to restore it to the best output what we can do. So this is done to the entire tank and the body panels. So we do have this process called as a buffing, and we do have this process included in every paint job for maximum output of the paint. And you can see the headlight, even it was buffed for the better condition, and the chassis is already painted, and the vehicle is for the wash. So that what happens is that, like, whenever you buff, it's a minute dust accumulated over it. So this is the total view of the vehicle after the restoration. This is how it looks. You might have a question, where are the vinyls? Yes, vinyls are not yet added because the customer has a specific requirement for the temporary purpose. So we have not included in our base coat, so that it is covered by the lacquer over it. And the finishing of the seat and the gaps between the seat are rectified. And you can see the panels, how beautifully they are accumulated over the seat area, and the gaps are filled. So that's about the Charisma R paint job. You can just understand the glossy level what you are looking at the vehicle now, and you have already watched the older video of before the vehicle and after the modification or the restoration done to the Charisma R, and the customer is very much satisfied with the output. And if you guys need such kind of customizations, please reach out to CRDMODS.India on our Facebook or Instagram and YouTube for further queries. We are based in Hyderabad, and we are one of the most oldest guys in based in Hyderabad for the restoration, especially for the budget modes. So if you like this video, please drop us a like, and if you have further comment on this vehicle, how do you want to see and how do you want to add over the blank stickers, you can just comment us down. So what are your choice to add over there? Anyways, we have added the vinyls. This is how it looks after the vinyls added, and this way for the temporary purpose. Make sure you guys follow CRDModes.India, and I hope you love this video. And much more modifications are done by CRD Modes since an era. So keep following our YouTube channel for much more updates on the customizations, and let me know in the comment box like how did you like the customization, or do you want to change anything in the customization. Let us know, so we'll take the feedback and suggestions for our customizers. Thank you. Thanks for watching CRD Modes. Stay tuned, guys.